Once upon a time, when the tiger, the king of the jungle, was taking a rest, a little bird began flying up and down on him. This soon surprised the tiger, who placed his huge paw on the tiger and opened his big jaws to swallow him. "Pardon, the king," cried the little bird. "Forgive me this time. I shall never repeat it again, and I shall never forget your kindness. And who knows, I may be able to do you a good turn one of these days." The tiger was so tickled by the idea of the bird being able to help him that he lifted his paw and let him go. Sometimes later, a few hunters captured the tiger and tied him to a tree. After that, they went in search of a wagon to take him to the zoo. Just then, the little bird happened to pass by on seeing that the tiger's plight. Then the bird starts pecking at each hunter's head. Was I not right?" said the little bird, very happy to help the tiger.